Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your LG monitor suddenly shows an out of range message and the screen refuses to display properly, it can definitely become disturbing when everything seemed fine just moments earlier. Sometimes this happens after changing display settings, connecting a new device, or adjusting resolution options that the monitor does not support. Other times the screen stays black except for the message, leaving people unsure what to do next. The good part is that an LG monitor out of range problem is often related to display settings and can usually be improved with a few simple adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix an LG monitor showing out of range. Try these. Step 1. Restart the LG monitor and reconnect it to the computer briefly. Step 2. Check the cable connected to the LG monitor and confirm it fits securely. Step 3. Lower display resolution linked with the LG monitor if settings changed recently. Step 4. Adjust refresh rate for the LG monitor if the screen still shows out of range. Step 5. Restart the computer connected to the LG monitor after making changes. Step 6. Test the LG monitor again and confirm the display returns normally.